Hi, this is John Augeri here with Nortro RV Center, and today we're checking out the 2025 Tiffin Allegro Bay 38 BB. You're going to notice the biggest thing you're going to notice on these Super Cs is the easy accessibility to get to the engine up front. Also, the fact that it's a big safety measure that your bumper's up here and you sit back here. People really love that on the Super C model. It is finished in the beautiful crimson exterior paint, and it does have 3 coats of clear on it, so it gives that really nice paint design, and you don't feel the lines in the paint as well. Tiffin does a really good design of doing the molded steps to get in and out of the coach, so you have that here as well. You also have rear view camera, and then you also have side cameras, which are controlled by the blinker column stock shifter on the side. As we walk over here to this side, Tiffin's big thing in the game is their doors. They build them in-house. They are a piano hinge style, pretty solid door design with insulation in here. And the best part about them is when you close them, they shut. You have your accessibility here for your hydraulic leveling system. Very easy to get to. You also have outside TV with soundbar. And one of the big features on this coach, being an S2 chassis, not many of them have a third slide room. So this coach offers opposing slides and a rear slide as well. So you get 3 slide rooms on this particular model. As we walk over here, you got I call it more of a mid-entry door here design. So you have a great floor plan design that carries inside. On your slide rooms, you have Girard slide toppers all the way around, and you have the Girard patio awning as well with the lights in them. You have your LP tank here. As we walk down, we'll get to this next bay. You have great storage here, and then you also have your 8,000 kilowatt Cummins generator, Cummins own in here. Tiffin does a really good design about adding exterior doors to gain access to certain items. So you'll see doors here like up top that's usually get to plumbing, things like that. And then also on the other side, which I'll show you, is a really neat feature as well. You also have another storage area here. You have a 100-gallon diesel fuel station back here to fill your engine here to get some diesel in here. And then you also have a 10-gallon DEF tank as well. This unit tows 12,000 pounds. You have your 7-way connector here for lights, and your hitches here. Really nice design in the back. There's your exterior camera, and then you also have the dryer vent as well. As we go over this side, another big feature that a lot of these manufacturers do not put on the coaches is anymore is exterior ladders. This one has the exterior ladder bracket, and then the ladders inside to telescoping ladders, so you can get in and out on the one-piece molded fiberglass roof. This unit in particular has a Truma AquaGo system, so it's a LP water system here. It's on demand. And you also have your furnace as well. You have dual furnaces. Tiffin does a great design of, like I said, storage output here. We got a lot of storage on this coach. That's your surge guard protector there for the current, for the 50 or 30 amp power, however you plan to plug in. You also have a cord rail as well. As we walk over here, you have your dump station here. And they did a nice job of cleaning it up here, and you can still put filters and hoses in here as well. You also have your in-house water system there. As we make our way to this side, this is your main area here to do your water station. You have 150 gallons of fresh water, which is easily drainable here. Hot and cold water lines. The water pump's easy to gain access to. You also have a solar input. This particular model has options. We have 3 solar panels on the roof. We also do have an option to put an exterior solar panel here. And then you have a tank flush, which is nice to have as well, along with the exterior shower. Make to this side here, you're going to have your another storage area here. And you also have an in-house vacuum system. Tiffin's very known for that in the industry. And then over here, you have your extended cycle batteries. Easy to gain access to. Makes it super simple. Once again, big draw on these coaches is the amount of doors to get in and out of them. You have 3 doors. And then once again, the safety of having the motor up front and the serviceability. So we'll go ahead and check the inside out next. All right, inside the S2 chassis here, you'll start to begin to look up here in the front. Very good visibility. The new design of the S2 chassis, you got the nice gauges now. They went ahead and upgraded that. Really smooth transition to walk in and out of here. These are both air seats as well. This is a 10-inch monitor screen here. So this is where your cameras are going to be. Your navigation's in here. Just a really nice accessible area. Good cup holders and some good cubby holds. And you also have adjustable armrests as well, so you can adjust them where you really like them. As we make our way through here, you'll have the overhead bunk, which these Super Cs are known to have. And it's super easy just to pop in place here. And then you can gain access to get up here. You also have a shade with the window. You have air vents up here, so when you do close this off, you do have access to get AC in here as well. You also have a swivel mount TV. And then over here, your theater seats. This is an option here. Power theater seats. The cabinetry, all solid wood, which is known, in the industry that Tiffin does. This is the platinum color, so it gives you a really nice color scheme here. Tile floor as well. This area right here could make a bed. And you do have storage in here, and you have seat belts on this side as well. TV is directly across from you, so you can look directly at the TV. All your cabinets and drawers, really nice slide. You can, they lock in place so they don't open up going down the road. Dual sinks, 3-burner cooktop LP, but you also have this that drops down, gives you a nice countertop area here, and then inside, Bob and Judy Tiffin did sign this coach. Happy trails. You also have a convection microwave oven. Inside, tons of storage area. You got your pantry here, which is all adjustable shelves. Access to level 1 jacks here, inverter, the AGS is here as well, which is automatic generator start. Here's your pad here to operate the spider system, is to operate the ACs, the lights. You can look at what kind of power is coming in the coach and turn a generator on from here. You can look at your gauges. You can see your gray would be 70 gallons max. Black would be 45, about 20 gallons of LP as well. Just very easy to get through the system here. And then if you ever needed to get inside here and look at diagnostics, you can do that as well, and you can see all your faults and things like that. So very, very easy, very intuitive for the user. As we make our way here, this is a 1.5 bath model, so you do have a half bath here with great accessibility inside and out, a lot of cabinet space. As we make our way here, you have a king bed as well. Tiffin's known for the ceiling fan as well here. There is storage underneath the bed, so you do have a little bit of storage here. And then another nice feature is this bed does not have to be lifted up into place. You can actually use the bed if the slide rooms were closed in. You have great visibility, 3 windows, tons of storage. Your main bath is back here with the shower, tons of space. Your washer dryer is back here. It's a stack washer dryer. Just very nice space throughout the coach. I mean, to maneuver and do what you need to do. You do have a macerator porcelain toilet back here. The front one's going to be a pedal flush. Just a lot of redundancy, but it's good to have when you're on the road. And then over here, you have great storage inside here as well. Tons of storage underneath. TV in the bedroom here. You also have a residential style fridge freezer with a ice maker. Thank you for going on a tour with me on the 2025 Tiffin Allegro Bay 38BB. We look forward to seeing you again. Happy trails. Please like and subscribe.